Welcome to the Sticky Trades channel within Trade Ideas that is built with our friend AJ Monty over at Sticky Trades. This channel is essentially a curated channel by the traders over at Sticky Trades. What it's doing is it's pulling in from a video series that AJ does every single Wednesday where he picks stocks that he thinks have an interesting chance to move for the end of that week going into next Wednesday. What you see here at the top is a chart annotated and using the same indicators that AJ uses. So if you are a follower of AJ, you'll be able to look at the chart and look at the market in the same way that he is. From there, we have a stock race. And what this is going to do is show you anything that's moving up at any given time. Right now, we have a little bit of a push down in the market. So you can see it's a little bit anemic because everything in the market's selling off at this time. But this will show you anything that is moving when things do start to move. At the bottom, you get the entire list of names that AJ is looking at right in through here. As you click through everything, both the chart and the single stock window we have down here update. Our single stock window is essentially a window that will show fundamental information such as liquidity when it comes to volume, things like short float, the ability to also read the news for these stocks. So if you want to trade along with AJ Monty at Sticky Trades, this is the channel for you.